As we approach the end of the year, it's a great time to optimize your PMax campaigns. Today, we'll focus on feed-only PMax campaigns for Shopify stores. I'll share 9 key strategies that can help improve your performance. Hi, I'm Clarice Lin, the ROI Doctor. I help Shopify store owners like you double your revenue with profitable Google Ads. Want to check if your Google Ads are sending the right shoppers to your store? I have a free resource for you. My Google Ads Pulse Check, a 9-point diagnostics checklist that helps you diagnose if your ads are attracting the most likely buyers. If they're not, it's time to review your campaign and or your landing pages to make the improvements needed to drive more sales for your store. Head over to claricelin.com to download it. You can also find the direct link in the description and pinned comments. Without further ado, let's dive into our topic for today. In this video, I'll be outlining key strategies to boost your PMax campaign. If you're running a feed-only campaign, that means running shopping ads for your Shopify store, then this video is perfect for you. I'll explain why each recommended strategy is beneficial and how it can positively impact your results. For more in-depth explanations and examples for each strategy, I will be also pointing you to my other videos where I've covered them in more depth. You can go ahead to bookmark those videos should you need more details. One thing to keep in mind, I don't recommend you to implement all of the strategies at the same time, but rather, depending on your individual situation, you make the call to decide what's the best option for you. 1. Focusing your budgets on your high-performing products. Why focus on high-performing products? Concentrating your budget on products that have proven to be profitable and convert well, you can maximize return on your ad spend investment by allocating resources to products that are most likely to generate revenue. You also improve your campaign efficiency by reducing wasted ad spend on underperforming products. And this leads to enhancing conversion rate by increasing the chances of turning clicks into purchases. And how would you identify your most profitable and high-converting products? Analyze the following metrics in your products reports. 1. Looking at click-through rates. Products with higher click-through rates are more likely to attract interest. Number 2, looking at cost per click. Products with lower cost per clicks are more cost-effective. Number 3, looking at conversion rates. Products with higher conversion rates are more effective at turning clicks into purchases. You can also dive deeper into shopper behavior using Google Analytics. Track how visitors interact with your store pages after clicking through from Google Ads. If they stay engaged for an extended period and explore multiple pages, these are likely the types of shoppers you want to attract. However, if visitors quickly click away from product pages, it might indicate that those products aren't resonating with your target audience. In this case, consider excluding them from your campaign. Strategy number 2, optimizing your asset groups. This is Google's definition of what they define to be an asset group. I'm going to put a screenshot right here. An asset group is a collection of creatives centered on a theme or related to a target audience in a PMax campaign. For most of you who are familiar with Google Ads, you might already know that the PMax asset groups work in a similar manner to how ad groups work. If you are not already familiar with that, let me share that right here. An ad group contains one or more ads that share similar targets. Each of your campaigns is made up of one or more ad groups. Use those ad groups to organize your ads by a common theme. For example, try separating ad groups into the different product types that you offer. And what we can take away from this is, when you set up a PMax campaign, you don't just add all your products into one campaign. You have to also logically divide the type of products you have into asset groups. This ensures that the most relevant ad elements within an asset group are displayed to the right audience at the right time. And this will result in improved click-through rates with more relevant ads more likely to capture user attention. Relevant ads are more likely to resonate with potential customers and drive conversions. Lower costs. By showing relevant ads, you can reduce wasted ad spend on irrelevant clicks. For example, if you have a clothing store, that would mean grouping your t-shirts into one asset group and having your trousers in a separate asset group. When analyzing your ad performance, this also allows you to see which product type performs better with ads. If you need more details on how to properly set up your asset groups to boost your PMax performance, check out my other in-depth video right here, using asset groups to improve PMax performance. Link can also be found in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Strategy number 3, leveraging audience signals. PMax is a sophisticated, smart bidding campaign. That means you don't manually input your target audience and targeted keywords. Instead, Google's AI uses your product information and store pages to determine potential target keywords and audiences. The great part about this is you don't have to crack your brain figuring out all of this by yourself. The not so great part is there is 100% reliance on Google to do all the figuring out correctly. It's important to remember that Google's AI isn't infallible. If your store's niche is unique, it might struggle to identify the perfect audience. That's where audience signals come in. These additional signals are what I like to call intelligent clues to guide Google's advanced algorithm towards the right potential customers. And I recommend you to use these 3 types of signals: search themes, competitor sites, and existing shoppers. Search themes work like broad match keywords, giving Google more context about the keywords that you're targeting for. If you're aware of your customers' landscape, customers who will buy from them, who are also likely to buy from you, let Google know and prioritize showing your ads to more of these types of shoppers. In this case, competitor sites can help target shoppers who are likely to be interested in your products. Google Analytics can also provide data on your existing customers, allowing you to target similar shoppers. For more specifics into how you can set all of this up, refer to my PMax Audience Signals video where I show the detailed steps into setting it up. Link can be found in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Strategy number 4, choosing the right bidding strategy. When it comes to bidding strategies in PMax, you have 2 main options: maximize conversions and maximize conversion value. For maximize conversions, this bidding strategy tells Google to focus on getting as many conversions as possible, regardless of the value of each conversion. It's a great choice when you're new to PMax or trying to build your customer base. Maximize conversion value, on the other hand, tells Google to focus on getting conversions from customers who are likely to spend more. It's ideal when you've established your campaign and want to optimize for higher value purchases. Think of it like this: if you're running a restaurant, you might initially want to focus on getting as many customers in the door as possible. That's when you choose maximize conversions. However, once you have a steady stream of customers, you might want to focus on attracting customers who are more likely to order expensive items off your menu. That will be choosing maximize conversion value. When your campaigns are established with consistent conversions, this is when you can start considering setting a target cost per action, TCPA, or a target return on ad spend, TROAS. This is because at this point, you've likely collected enough data for Google to accurately assess future customer value. By selecting TCPA, it allows you to set a desired cost for each conversion. Google will then optimize your bids to achieve that target cost. For example, if you set a TCPA of $20, Google will adjust your bids to ensure that you pay on average no more than $20 for each conversion. For TROAS, this bidding strategy allows you to set a desired return on investment for your ad spend. Google will then optimize your bids to achieve that target ROAS. For example, if you set a TROAS of 400%, Google will aim to generate $4 in revenue for every $1 spent on ads. When do you use TCPA or TROAS? Setting a TCPA or TROAS can be a valuable strategy if you have specific goals such as maximize revenue or improving profitability. Setting either of these can help you to achieve those objectives. For more detailed explanations around selecting maximize conversions and conversion value, head on to my other video, Maximize Conversions versus Maximize Conversion Value Bidding Strategy for PMax. Link can be found in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Strategy number 5, utilizing campaign keyword exclusions. Building a negative keyword list for your PMax prevents your ads from showing up for irrelevant search terms. As I mentioned earlier, while Google's AI is powerful, it is not infallible and can sometimes misinterpret related terms. By building your negative keyword list, you reduce wasted ad spend and prevent your ads from showing to users who are unlikely to buy from you. You can also improve cost per click when your ads are shown to more relevant audiences. In this case, you can often achieve lower CPC. The more clicks and engagement you get from the right keywords, you enhance your ad quality score, leading to lower ad costs and improve ad visibility. And that leads to a boost in your conversion rates, Because you're targeting only relevant search terms, you are increasing the chances of conversions. And how do you go about identifying irrelevant keywords? Consider the following factors. If certain keywords consistently lead to low conversion rates or no conversions at all, they may be irrelevant. A high cost per click. If you're paying a high price for clicks from specific keywords, they may not be worth the cost. Review your search terms insights report that triggered your ads and identify any irrelevant terms. Although there is no direct feature in PMax to add a negative keyword list at the moment, Google has a PMax modification form that allows you to submit a request for campaign-level keyword exclusion. I'll put a link in the description and pinned comment. Before you submit the form, create a negative keyword list and give it a name. Then submit your form request to Google and give them the name of your keyword list. By carefully building and maintaining your negative keyword list, you can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your PMax. Strategy number 6. A/B testing your product image. Testing your product images can be a powerful way to improve your PMax performance. By experimenting with different images, you can identify which ones resonate most effectively with your target audience. The top 2 benefits of A/B testing product images are improving click-through rates, because visually appealing and relevant images can attract more clicks. Higher conversion rates. Images that accurately represent your products can encourage more conversions. What are the key factors to consider when selecting your primary product image for your PMax shopping ad? The image quality. Ensure your images are high resolution and well lit. The relevance of your ad. Choose images that accurately depict your products and align with your target audience's preferences. Uniqueness of your image. Stand out from your competitors by using images that are different and memorable. In the new Google Merchant Center next, there is a convenient new feature. You can pin a specific product image to be shown as the main image for your shopping ad, rather than the default primary image on your product page. This feature provides you with greater control over the image that potential customers can see on your ad. By A/B testing different product images and utilizing the new Merchant Center feature, you can optimize your PMax for maximum impact. Strategy number 7. A/B testing your product title. Adding search terms that align with what shoppers are looking for, because this helps Google to show your ads to more of the right search terms. Product titles are another crucial element of your PMax campaign. The benefits of A/B testing the titles are improved click-through rates, because compelling and relevant titles can attract more clicks. Enhanced visibility. Optimized titles can help your ads appear for more relevant search terms, and this leads to increased conversions, because clear and informative titles can encourage potential customers to click through and make a purchase. The key factors to consider when testing your titles: incorporate relevant keywords that your target audience is likely to search for. The keywords you use in your ad should also align with the keywords seen on your product page. Test different versions of your titles to see which ones perform best to boost your ads click-through rates. Strategy number 8. Improving product description for enhanced relevance. Descriptions play a vital role in helping Google understand the context of your products and match them with relevant search queries. If you recall, Google taps into this information to decide on the keywords to show your ads for. By optimizing your product descriptions with more relevant keywords, you help Google better match your ads with relevant search queries, and as a result, improve your ads visibility and attract more qualified traffic. The 4 top tips for optimizing your product descriptions are: using keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that your target audience is likely to search for. If you're not sure, use keyword research tools like Google Ad Planner to discover popular terms and phrases. Keyword placement. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your product descriptions, avoiding keyword stuffing. Product features and benefits. Clearly highlight the key features and benefits of your product. Use descriptive language that paints a vivid picture for potential customers. Target audience. Tailor your product descriptions to address the specific needs and interests of your target audience. By optimizing your product descriptions with more related keywords, you can significantly improve the performance of your PMax and attract more qualified traffic. Strategy number 9. Adjusting your ad budget for optimal performance. Budget optimization is a key factor in maximizing your PMax results. However, it's essential to approach budget adjustments strategically, especially when your campaign is not generating conversions. When do you increase your budget? When your PMax is generating consistent conversions. If your campaign is consistently delivering strong results and reaching its budget limit with the limited by budget notification, increasing your budget can help you capture more potential customers. If your campaign is attracting high-quality traffic but not converting effectively, consider adjust your targeting and or your product information before increasing your budget. The approach for optimal results is to implement a phased approach. To avoid wasting ad spend, start with a small increment such as 20% and monitor your campaign's performance closely. If you see positive results, you can gradually increase your budget further. Take note, if your campaign is not generating conversions, increasing your budget alone is unlikely to solve the problem. Instead, focus on improving your target strategies such as refining your keywords, optimizing your asset groups, or audience signals. Before increasing your budget, evaluate your campaign's overall performance. Are you seeing positive results in terms of clicks, impressions, and conversions? If yes, then adjusting your budget could get you more conversions. Otherwise, your ad budget is essentially wasted. By adjusting your ad budget smartly and focusing on improving your campaign's targeting, you can optimize your PMax for maximum results. If you're struggling with scaling up your Google Ads, I can help. I've helped Shopify stores achieve over 500% return on ad spend with PMax campaigns. Get in touch to find out how I can help you achieve similar results. My contact details in the description and pinned comment. Alternatively, head directly to claricelin.com. If you found this video useful in giving you different strategy ideas to optimize your PMax campaign, do remember to give me a like and let YouTube know. I would also appreciate your support. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions about optimizing your PMax for your Shopify store. Do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on doubling your store traffic and sales with profitable Google Ads. I'm Clarice Lin, RI Doctor, signing off. Till the next video, stay profitable.